Welcome to our video guide on effectively managing filters for categories within your website's admin area. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to effortlessly configure and optimize category filters for a smoother user experience. Begin by logging into your website's admin area. Once logged in, head to the Products Catalog and Properties tabs. To begin, create a new category by clicking the corresponding button. When adding or editing a category under Properties, you can set the category name. Choose whether to use the same name for all languages. Enable additional information option and add description if needed. To add a property, simply click on the corresponding button. A double click on an existing category allows you to work with property settings specific to that category. Click on the corresponding button to edit a property. In the settings section on the properties page, you can customize property settings. Here's what you can do. Toggle the option to use the same property name for all languages. Choose property type, text, number interval, yes, no, or file. Select property option, single or multiple choice. Choose format, single line or multiline, and filter options. Enable hide if filter property not selected. Configure property display mode. Product info, filter, search, product groups, extra values, listing, compare, icon swatch, select range. In the property section, you can upload a property image, create property name, alternative name, and SEO page name. Choose color and units, percentage or numeric value. Include property description if needed. While adding or editing a product, assign the relevant properties to it for accurate categorization. When editing the corresponding category, activate the toggles next to the required filters. Only filters corresponding to the properties assigned to products within this category will be displayed. By efficiently configuring category filters, you can enhance your website's organization and improve the user experience. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more valuable guides.